So in this activity, it is summarized stories or stories that are from Mindanao literature. So first is the how children became monkeys. So when she went to color cloth, not far from her home was a mud hole where the carabao liked to wallow, and to this hole she carried her cloth, some dye pots and two shell spoons. After she had put the cloth into the mud to let it keep up the dark color, she built a fire and put over it a pot containing water and the leaves used for dyeing. Then she sat down to wait for the water to boil, while the children played nearby. By and by, when she went to stir the leaves with a shell spoon, some of the water splashed up and burned her hand, so that she jumped and cried out. This amused the children, and their laughter changed them into monkeys, and the spoons became their trails, their tails. The nails of the monkeys are still black, because while they were children, they had helped their mother dye the cloth. So the next story is the flood story. A long time ago, there was a very big crab which crawled into the sea, and when he went in, he crowded the water out so that it ran all over the earth and covered all the land. Now, about 1 moon before this happened, a wise man had told the people that they must build a large raft. They did as he commanded and cut many large trees, until they had enough to make 3 layers. These they bound tightly together, and when it was done, they fastened the raft with a long rattan cord to a big pole in the earth. Soon after this, the floods came. White water poured out of the hills, and the sea rose and covered even the highest mountains. The people and animals on the raft were safe, but all the others drowned. When the waters went down and the raft was again on the ground, it was near their old home, for the rattan cord had held. But these were the only people left on the whole earth. So the next is Dead Stars by Rachel Santos. If I still think of her today, why didn't I tell her long ago? I could have saved all wondering, for I'd have peace if I did know. If I had learned of metaphors before I wondered what to start, would I have written verses then, and worshipped Venus instead of Mars? If I had found my tongue could rhyme, would I have shown a face sans mask? A heart unsure? But woe is me, I'll never know, I didn't ask. So that was a poem from Mindanao literature.